If the US dollar falls to 96.50, gold may go all the way to 3682. Yes, indeed, 3682. You're hearing it right now. So the thing is why? Because China has been buying a lot of gold, and even at this price right now, they're still buying. So what is happening? Let me tell you more in detail shortly. Now, before that itself, disclaimer apply as usual. Now, one thing is that remember when gold was trading at 3220, I was in an event. I was telling everybody around me that gold will go to the next level, and they were asking me what level was that, and I mentioned it go to 3355. And the time itself was that, what? Are you sure about this? And $135, we're very, very high right now. I said yes, it will go, and I gave July. But the thing is, the US dollar crumpled the next few days, and we saw gold going past 3400. Then the thing is this, I gave a bold prediction. I gave that gold could be going to 3496, all right? And that basically is one of the biggest view that I have for my video. And then after that, it's a lot of people call me and ask me, guy, Cal, do you think that really gold will go to 3496? I say that it is possible. And I say that that is only if the dollar really keep on going down. And of course, people are asking me, are you sure? And of course, what happened? We have so many people all calling for 3500, UBS, Goldman Sachs. Everybody is calling for this upside target. So I said, okay, that should be fine. And truth be told itself, right, my student basically all made money. They all made money by selling gold at 3496. And in fact itself, at about 12:25 p.m. on the 22nd of April recently, I gave that the target will go 3496, but I say must stay vigilant. There's a very good risk that the market may do a sharp reversal if the major funds, institutions have to dump on gold itself, all right? And then what happened? Oh my goodness, take a look, everybody. Gold really went up from where we call for buying somewhere around here. Gold just rocketed to this number, 3496, and we are just really the high of 3500, and then the gold just reversed more than $230 just like that. All right, so this is really crazy stuff. And of course, everyone was so shocked by this target. And when gold come down, I tell you to be very careful. Now the thing is this, you can see right now that everything was all mentioned on the social media, so you cannot run away from here. So how do I know the gold will come down? Because I have my big boys indicator all telling me that it's a matter of time gold will pull back, and really it all have happened. All right, so now the thing is this, what is happening now? China has been buying a lot of gold, and again, I believe that because they're going to do something to the US treasuries. We all know that they've been buying non-stop, and of course this will definitely bring gold to the next level. And one thing to note, right, we all know that Donald Trump have been flipping itself, every time. One moment say that there will be a potential, a tariff drop substantially, but won't be zero. And then market was happy for one moment, and next moment China came out and denied that there's no such talk over that itself. You can see that is how typical the whole thing is. Again, back to the time when Trump was doing administration. So with all this thing inside here itself, I'm pretty sure that this will happen, guys. That gold will go to the next level right now. So China, once it start to dump the US treasuries, the trade war will continue, and this will force the dollar to drop even further. And I believe that from what we're seeing right now, with the treasuries coming down, they are buying a lot of gold because they know that the US dollar, the Federal Reserve will print more money to save the US, and that's where the gold will go crazy. As for now, the thing is this, I did a calculation. I told you at the time that gold will go to 3496. So we did a recent calculation now with the moving of the dollar price action. I believe that now the dollar will likely take some time, but eventually, all right, maybe not now, maybe it take about another 2-3 weeks, dollar will push down all the way to 96.50 zone. So when that all happen and stuff, right, then how low, so how crazy can this be, is that the dollar will push the gold price higher. And based on simple mathematics, now wait for it, guys, drum roll, gold will hit this number, 3682. Yes, 3682. This will likely be happening. And if that happens as well, we'll pop the champagne and we'll make sure we will invite everybody for a big one here itself. All right, guys. So hope you like this video and may you make more money. But remember, only if the US dollar start to fall. Yep. Cheers then. Bye-bye.